So what are you looking at?
I have an idea. So I've always wanted to make shift knobs, and this was trending like 3 years ago, or 3 years late. But I'm thinking that we can make our own aluminum shift knob. So check this out. These videos, I guess these people have aluminum foil, they crumple it up and they just continuously hit it with a hammer, and they make little balls. I don't know if it's real or not, but no one has ever made an aluminum shift knob. Like an actual shift knob that you can use. Let's see if we can do that today. You done? Mm-hmm. Let's go. Emmy, wake up! Come on. We gotta make an aluminum shift knob. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. All right, Emmy. What is the first thing we're gonna need to start today's video? Yep, aluminum foil. And where can we get that? Target. Shane, you think we'll be able to make an aluminum shift knob? I am doubtful. You're doubtful? Shane thinks that the videos are all fake.
Wait, how do they make aluminum shift knobs?
So you get aluminum foil, you crumple it all up, and you just keep hammering it until it gets solid is the right term. I was thinking like a different term. We're just gonna get aluminum foil, continue hammering it, sand it, polish it, and see if we can actually make a legit aluminum shift knob. What the? Isaac, come on! I have high hopes on today's video that we're gonna make a sick ass looking shift knob. Heavy duty aluminum foil. This is it. This is 55 square feet. Should be more than enough. You're gonna need more than that, bro. What is this, herpy cream? Stupid.
Hella dumb.
Let me see. Aloe vera or a la verga? Kobe! For you, Kobe. For a little under $4, I'm gonna show you guys how to make an aluminum shift knob. So what you're gonna need today is some aluminum foil and, for now, just a mallet. I'm actually gonna try to replicate this Nismo shift knob. Hopefully it looks good. We're gonna need more than that. Thank you, lovely assistant. Now, all you gotta do is just hammer this, get it nice and solid, and once it's the perfect shape, we'll start the polishing. All right, Justin, your turn. I'm tired. Oh, we getting there, baby. All right, next up, guys, the guy in the video swapped to a metal hammer. This should help us get it nice and tight. It'll probably help if we don't use this as our table. It's absorbing a lot of the impact. Yeah, this is working a lot better. Let's go swap to, just do it on the floor. What's it do? There we go, that's solid, bro. There we go. Guys, this is not working out too well. Either this is fake, Shane, and you're right, or I'm doing it wrong. So, we're gonna try again. This time we're gonna work smarter. We're gonna start with a much more stronger base. The other one kept breaking up every time we hit it. So if we have a solid centerpiece, I think we'll be fine. If not, this is fake. It's starting to work, Justin. Look, after hitting it so much, it's starting to get really hard. I think we can actually do this.
Looks like a turd.
After about an hour of hammering, we finally got it to the shape of the shift knob. I'm so over it. Look, Boo's trying to make his own now after seeing mine. Check this out. It's nice and solid now.
Now what are you doing over here?
I'm doing the Nismo logo. Look, to make it look more realistic. Cool, right?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Thanks.
Boo, how's yours coming along over here?
Actually going pretty good.
What the? It's a banana. That's hella good.
That actually looks real.
It actually tastes like one too.
What the? How'd you manage that?
I was just kidding, guys. We give up. I don't think that video was real, or any of the videos, to be honest. Every time we hammered it, it just kept splitting apart. So we give up. I guess in today's video of fact or cap,
This is cap.
What a waste of $4, huh?
Yeah.
That's just bananas.
The shift knob thing didn't work out, but on the bright side, we got more car parts. Fire ass blade, what the? You gonna stand there, or are you gonna help me out? Thanks, Emmy. Do you know what kind of hood it is?
HR?
Yep, it's the HR 350Z hood. Guess how much I got for it?
200.
Lower.
100.
Lower.
50 bucks.
Lower.
$1.
Lower.
A penny.
Lower.
Free.
I got it for free, bro.
Jeez.
Here it is, guys.
Oh, what the?
What the hell is this? Did that happen from shipping? Oh, it did. Oh well, either way, here it is, guys. My new 350Z HR hood. This is the newer model hood. Damn, I'm kind of bummed. It was actually a good condition hood too. But
I think it's just a wrap.
no, the red is a wrap.
Yeah.
But
It's scratched underneath.
it's scratched. Look, oh, it went all the way through. That's so deep. What happened? That sucks. It's cool. Luckily, we're Illiminate Auto Body now. I can paint cars. I can hopefully try and fix that dent. But the hood was originally black. So we should be able to take off the wrap. We also got a new bumper for the 350Z as well. And since we're here, check this out. We just dropped these on the website literally today. These are new Illiminate Champion crew necks. Head to the website. These are 80 entries towards winning the S2000. And right here is my KBD Nismo 350Z bumper. This thing is supposedly indestructible. Oh, fuck! Oh, that's hella hard. What the hell? I hit like the hardest part. Look, you feel that? Oh,
Oh, that hurt my toe, fool. I thought you were capping.
all right, let's bring the Z in. Install the new stuff. Time for some 350Z mods. Hey, you want to see a burnout?
Stupid.
Huh? No, I'm serious. You want to see a burnout?
Yeah, go.
Go on YouTube, type it, burnout. All right, guys, here is the 350Z in its ugliest phase. Look at this front bumper. Trash, zip tied on, and this hood. I crashed into Shane and we dented it. I'm gonna keep this hood as a spare just in case, but I like the way that the HR hood looks a lot better. It has this little hump right on top, and the DE has these two lines. I'm gonna keep it just in case though, because I know I'm gonna crash with this car. So it's nice to have an extra hood laying around. I guess let's remove the hood, the bumpers, and throw in the new ones. Before we remove this bumper, I think we should test to see if that tow hook works. I have an idea. Found some rope. Let's see if we can pull this with my ass. Oh, chill, you almost pulled it out.
My bad, bud.
How the fuck is the car moving?
Fuck.
What the?
Damn, this fool's asshole hella tight.
This is actually moving. What the?
My boho ain't that tight, guys. Come on. Toe hooks gotta go.
Easy money.
Easy. Hold on, there's literally nothing holding the bumper on. What do you think it is?
Good old zip ties.
Cut it, let's see if it falls off.
What the fuck? Ah, self-tappers.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's it?
Self-tappers, but the zip ties are holding the crack together.
There you go.
There we go. Trash. Nismo front bumper is on and it looks amazing. Fitment was surprisingly pretty good. What do you guys think? That looks way better, huh, Justin?
Yeah, it looks really good.
I thought fitment was gonna be trash. It fits amazing. Check this out. This bottom part was what I thought was gonna fit like trash. Dude, fits perfect. Usually KBD bumpers are like really flimsy in this area. Look. Solid. Look at that. And it's indestructible. All right, let's toss on the hood. Dude, this is like super light.
Why these dumbass kids put carbon fiber hoods on their fucking Z's if the hoods are this light?
Yeah, like, look at this. All right, let's not break anything now. The hood has to come back this way. You got both of them in?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure it's on right? Cause my shit came out. Oh, there it is.
You suck.
Stay right there.
No bars now, Randy.
Telling me I got no bars. I got both mine on.
What you mean? They're both on?
Now.
There you go. Sheesh! Should we keep the red hood?
Hell.
Hell no! All right, we'll take it off. Bro, should we just do it tomorrow in the sun?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just do it tomorrow in the sun. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Randy, when did you get so tall?
I don't know.
And ugly. Ah, just kidding. Dude, that looks way better, huh? What do you think?
HR hood?
Yeah, it's an HR hood.
Damn, looks good.
A subscriber sent it to me for free.
Fire.
Well, I paid for shipping, and I sent him a little extra just because I felt bad. But we got the Nismo bumper on, we got the HR hood. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. I want to give a huge shout out to Matt. Matt, thank you so much. I've been looking everywhere for an HR hood, and he reached out to me, told me he had one, and literally just sent it to us for free. Guys, go do me a favor. This is his 370Z. Go follow him on Instagram. Dude, I'm so hyped. Look, the car looks so much better even though the paint doesn't look all that great. I'm actually gonna be working with SFG Wraps. We're doing a whole livery for the Z, And we finalized everything and it looks amazing. I can't wait to show you guys. Should I give them a little sneak peek? Yeah, let's hold it off for now. It's gonna look amazing. And I'm ready to bang some doors with the boys. We already got a few dings and dents here. But that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, go down, help us out. We're so close to 1 million subs. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.